I got to be honest, when I first read the announcement of this online mastering service by eWaves, my reaction was, really? But it is here. And here are my thoughts on this mastering service, and I would love to hear yours. It works as most mastering sites. You upload a track you want mastered and the tool will analyze the file. That takes a little while, and when it's done you get this page and 3 styles and 2 tone settings. What's nice is that you can switch between volume matched comparison or not. You also get the ability to use a reference track. The pricing is as follows. 1 credit is $5.99, 5 credits is $24.99, 15 credits is $59.99 and 60 credits is $179.99. Perpetual users of Waves products get 1 credit to try out, active subscribers get 3 credits. Here's a quick and incomplete comparison with some other mastering sites. Lander is from $9.99 for a single master to $15.99 a month with a 1-year commitment. eMastered asks between $12.99 to $29.99 a month depending on the plan you choose for an unlimited amount of tracks. You pay $6.99 for a single track of Mastering Studio for the highest quality and lower prices for somewhat lower quality ones. If you look at these prices, the credit system Waves uses doesn't look too bad. It removes the monthly payment need and looks most interesting when you occasionally need mastering. I don't know if these credits are our first step to a new payment system at Waves. Let's say in the future you pay 6 of these credits for a plugin. These types of wallet systems are not that uncommon. Now, if I throw the next track in the Waves mastering tool, I find that every one of the Waves standard presets introduces distortion on especially the low end. With the reference track I uploaded, it gives a much better result. Full disclosure, Waves did give me early access so I could test and create this video, but they did not sponsor or see this video before you do. The sponsor of this video is DistroKid. If you need to split the revenue of your releases with multiple collaborators, DistroKid has splits. This enables you to, very simply, split the revenue you make. Add as many collaborators for a release you want and decide how much of the cake they get in percentages. On top of that, you can set recoupments as well, so if you agree on a fixed fee instead of royalties, this is the way to do that. Get 7% off of your first year with DistroKid by using the link in the description. Here's what I would have done for a quick and dirty 15-minute mastering with only plugins. I want dark, brooding and warm. Here's the Waves master based on the reference track. Waves is more clear and less dark and sounds a bit more flat and two-dimensional. is also more aggressive in the highs, the hi-hat especially. There's a bit of headroom available, another 2 decibels still sounds good. Waves had their own versions without the reference track also louder, around -10 lubs. But as you hear, that introduced distortion. I can go that loud as well. This also gives distortion, and that's why I don't make this track that loud. With this example, it's clear it absolutely pays off to use a reference track. Without it, the Waves tool seems more like a preset factory where you slap on a sound whether it fits or not. There doesn't seem to be a system in place that checks if there's distortion introduced or if a master is too loud. On the next problematic mix, I find that with every basic setting, the hi-hats and cymbals are way too present in the master. Also, nothing is done to counter the very boomy low end. This is something I always need to turn down with this client. He knows it, I know it, but the Waves tool doesn't know it. But when you have a track which pretty much sounds fine already, the Waves mastering works pretty decent. When playing around with this tool, I never got rid of the feeling that the standard tools aren't any better than some EQ and a limiter on your own mix, especially with mixes that already sound good. It does more of course, but that is the impression I get. With mixes which are more problematic, this will be an issue. Only by using reference tracks you get proper results. So yeah, Waves mastering. Let me know what you think.